Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Special request, how to make lemongrass stir-fried chicken with vegetable. I preheat my skillet, medium-high heat, little bit vegetable cooking oil. I got this special, get it from Kroger supermarket. It's lemongrass stir paste. This is very convenient for me to cook, and I tried it before. It's pretty good. Or if you have a regular lemongrass stem, you take out the outside layer, the inside is what you need to cook. They're supposed to have a sense of like a lemon, green onion, and garlicky smell. Is very essential, really good flavor. So now I'm gonna stir fry my chicken first. Why? Because my chicken is cold, refrigerator cold. So I'm going to stir fry the chicken to semi-cook. After I add the chicken in, I like to let them sit for a few seconds. Get a chance to cook the bottom part of the chicken, and then I'm going to give them a quick flip. That's how it's supposed to look like. I think my fire is a little bit low, so I can easily adjust a little bit higher. You can always control the way you cook. And now I give them a quick stir. This is the boneless chicken, skinless chicken breast, thinly sliced. I marinated with like maybe a couple teaspoons of, like this amount, about 7-8 ounces of the chicken. 1 to 2 teaspoons of the beaten egg or egg white, and a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. And just give them a quick mix. You don't have to marinate that cornstarch and egg for too long. The idea is just keep them easier to brown and have a better taste for the texture and easier to binding with the sauce. A lot of time if you pan fry the chicken, like the raw chicken, and you notice that your pot and pan is not high enough, so the consistency of the water start coming out. So I suggest at that time, you're gonna stir fry the chicken and then place the chicken on the side. The reason I said that because your pot and pan is not hot, you have water coming out. It's not good to stir fry later on. You need high heat like this. Because my pot and pan is perfectly heated up, they can sear. They can sear. So all the water in the chicken, they evaporate, they sear out. So this is oil. Okay, now we're gonna add some hot chili, ginger, garlic, and lemongrass. Oh, why I do that? Because first I want to enhance a unique flavor. Enhance the flavor is by using all the starter of aromatic spices like onion, ginger, garlic, lemongrass, basil. Those are the good to infuse your oil. See the oil right now? Because the oil is the one who will coat to your ingredients for cooking. You don't have to worry about all the sodium and the sweetness. Those come later. Toss us with the vegetable. Anything that you have in the fridge, you can use it. Stir fry the vegetable translucent means just for a quick sear. You see the color? Now, a little fish sauce. It's the sodium. Fish sauce is very high in sodium. Little sherry cooking wine or sake. Today I use sake. When you add wine, make sure your food is hot. And I do a little bit hoisin sauce for sweetness, and the oyster sauce enhance another flavor. So we have all the spicy and the sauce in. I suggest you add some sweetness, which is, in my case, I got this organic black honey. Now we're going to give them a quick stir. remind yourself when you cook, you already add fish sauce. So the food's supposed to taste a little bit salty now. And come to the soy sauce, just a little bit, not much. As I say, we can always add later on. The food is so good, you know why? Trying to make me sneeze. Alright, that's good. Now is the time to taste. When you taste, take a little piece like this. Oh my goodness. Completely Vietnamese or Thai cooking. Absolutely gorgeous, delicious flavor. Sesame oil. Turn it off. Give them a quick stir. Beautiful color. Bright. Vegetable crispy. Chicken delicious. Have my rice cooking. The meal is done. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Looking so delicious.